Welcome to our Learn Something New series, where you can submit a question of the week and the DBC team gets to answer it. So our question of the week comes from Shira Rose from Shira Rose Photography. You can follow her on Facebook and on Instagram at Shira W. Rose. So her question of the week was, how can Pinterest help attract new clients to her business? So how do you attract new clients to your Pinterest account? I'm going to share with you 3 simple rules for you to follow. So number 1 is making sure your Pinterest account is a business account. You can either take your personal account and convert it to a business account or create a separate business account under your personal account. You want to make sure that you're able to create ads and track analytical data under this business account. You want to make sure that your bio and information is all filled out and website links so that it makes it easy for people to find you on your account. Number 2, optimizing your Pinterest for SEO. It is not like any other social media, so you want to treat Pinterest like a search engine. It's like Google with pretty pictures, using dynamic text and content for your pins. So make sure that your images are enhanced with its links and descriptions and titles so that your pins are easily found within your Pinterest boards. Number 3, and this is very important, is that you plan ahead and strategize your content. I know it's difficult sometimes, but it makes it easy for you to be able to target the right audience with your boards. You want to make it easy for them to find your content so that they can repin and reshare your information. And you want to make sure that it's easy for them to shop your brand. So that is very important. So there's your question of the week on Learn Something New series. Look below and submit your own question of the week so that you can be featured here next Thursday. Don't forget to like, follow, and support your local businesses because without them, we are not successful. See you next time.